is no, not given. True, false, not given. Today's lesson is about understanding yes, no, not given, true, false, not given in your reading. Have you ever felt finding answer of yes, no, not given or true, false, not given difficult? And before that, let me tell you one thing. Why yes and true both? Yes means not no. No means not yes. So yes is different from true, in which case once you are supporting writer's view, yes. So जब राइटर का व्यू के साथ देना और इसके खिलाफ जाना और इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है तभी yes no not given है. ये राइटर का ओपिनियन के लिए yes no not given, but a fact, a reality that is true for everybody, you know, or false for everybody, or information is not given, तभी true false not given. Repeating, राइटर का ओपिनियन है true false not yes no not given में, a fact a true false not given. This is the basic idea. And today we are going to see true false not given जहाँ पर comparison included है. तो इसको आंसर कैसे फाइंड आउट करना? This flow chart must help you. Means listen to me very carefully. Number one, two items are mentioned in the question and the text. Question क्या है? Text क्या है? Listen. If you say question, which means statement, जिसके ऊपर हम क्या करना पड़ेगा? ढूंढना पड़ेगा कहाँ पर? passage में. passage. ये passage क्या है हमारा? जो इधर लिखा है text. So listen to this. Question और statement को पढ़ के आप किधर जाओगे? passage में और text में जाओगे. उधर क्या है? Two items are mentioned in the question and the text, but there is no comparison given. In that sense, answer क्या होगा? Number two, two items are mentioned in the question. Two items are mentioned in the question and passage, and I mean text. इधर क्या? Two items are mentioned in the question में two items है. One item is in the text. The other item is not mentioned. So क्या हो सकता? इनमें से true है, false है, not given है. यहाँ पर आपका आंसर लिखना पड़ेगा. Repeating, two items question में है, but text में एक item है. 3. Two items are mentioned in the question and the text. Two items are mentioned in the question and the text. Same. Two items are mentioned in the question and the text. यहाँ पर comparison नहीं था दोनों के बीच में. यहाँ पर क्या? One item is greater, etc. Etc. means greater, larger, shorter, smaller, stronger, weaker, healthier, easier, anything. Faster, slower, yeah. So one item is greater, etc. than the other. One item is दूसरों से ज़्यादा है और छोटा है जो भी है. उसके अकॉर्डिंग देखोगे तो किधर जाएंगे? टेक्स्ट में the text is other way around. यहाँ पर जो बोला A is greater than B. But यहाँ पर the text is other way around. Other way around means उल्टे. जो बताए उसका opposite direction में होता है. Other way around means. In that case, answer क्या होगा? Here, the text is the same. Means two items are mentioned in the question and text. One item is greater, etc. than the other. उसके बाद the text is the same. यहाँ पर जो बोला है उनमें से यहाँ पर जो बोला है वो सेम कहाँ पर मिलेगा? टेक्स्ट में मिलेगा. आंसर क्या है? सो इन तीनों को अकॉर्डिंग आप देखोगे तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? टू आइटम्स मेंशन किया है एंड उनमें से एक दूसरों से बड़ा है, पर जो भी है कंपैरिजन किया है. द सेम आइडिया कहाँ से मिलेगा? टेक्स्ट में से मिलेगा. तो योर आंसर इज True. Two items are mentioned in the question and text that one item is greater than the other. But टेक्स्ट में देखेंगे तो जो बोला इसका उल्ट इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगा. It's clear to you that is false. And here goes. Two items are mentioned in the question. One item is there, but दूसरा is not mentioned. In that case, answer is not given. Two items are mentioned in the question and the text, and there is no comparison. There also answer is not given. And once you keep these three theories in your mind, it must help you find the answers right and easier. And along with this, we are going to see some questions and statements, and let's see that how we are going to find them out. Okay, just let's see them that. Okay, now let's see three statements and their answers. Okay, how they will be found. Only experts are permitted to view the scanned version of Beowulf. Only experts are permitted. So while reading the statement or question, make sure that the tense and the ideology given exactly what it means. It's very important thing, because you are not going to find the answer going behind the words. We are going to match the meaning of the statement with the passage. Always do this. Don't go behind the words. Go behind the meaning. And many a time you will see like paraphrased ideas. And make sure that you understand first what you have read and go for the meaning to find. So here it is written, only experts are permitted to view the scanned version of Beowulf. So, and here say only qualified scholars are, and experts here are qualified scholars, are permitted, were allowed. So here getting an idea, are permitted and were allowed. So this is enough for you to understand. An idea in the present tense is written here in past. So past and present, they are giving you opposite version. So answer. Baki, whatever, the main idea is that, they are permitted and they were permitted. In the past, they were only permitted, which means it was a time in the past only scholars were, highly qualified scholars or experts were allowed, but not now the case. So answer is one thing more, constant practice is required. Around 10 readings of this may make you okay with that. By the time you will be exactly true, false, not given, or yes, no, not givens are given to understand your analyzing capacity. How able are you to understand a particular system is the idea given by even looking at these things. If you are able to understand, this will really give you, okay? And examiners will look for that, and the people are looking for that, especially while giving these things. IDP and BC also mean the same. Okay, swallows form larger flocks than other birds when they depart in the autumn. So here we are talking about swallows and we are talking about other birds. Two items are mentioned. Swallows form larger flocks, means bada group swallows का है, means a type of birds, okay, small sparrows type. किससे ज़्यादा? बाकी birds से ज़्यादा जो swallows make larger flocks group when they depart in the autumn. Okay, when they depart means when they start their journey. So in that they become like the bigger group and they flock, like they flock together, they like fly together, and this is idea given. When the swallows are about to leave, they frequently flock together in large numbers. Larger flocks, and they flock together in large numbers. इधर larger का मतलब था किसी और के साथ कंपेयर किया. But problem, जब आप एक कंपैरिजन में एक की बात किया, दोनों की बात नहीं किया, हमने देखा था रूल के हिसाब से वो क्या होगा, नॉट गिवन होगा. इसका मतलब ये दूसरी वर्ड्स की इंफॉर्मेशन हमारे को नहीं मिला. यू विल राइट NG, not given. So answer goes not given. Okay. And one more, and we will have more in next videos. Okay, but for this, one more is there. Digital libraries could have a more professional image than the internet. Digital libraries could have a more professional image than the internet. इंटरनेट से ज़्यादा एक प्रोफेशनल इमेज किसका होगा? रेपुटेशन डिजिटल लाइब्रेरीज का होगा. ये बोल रहे वहां पर हमारा स्टेटमेंट. टेक्स्ट और पासे जी क्या बोल रहे हैं? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक लाइब्रेरीज विल मेक टुडेज इंटरनेट pale by comparison. So अगर आप कंपेयर करोगे तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक लाइब्रेरीज मतलब डिजिटल लाइब्रेरीज इंटरनेट को क्या करेगा? इट विल मेक pale. Pale means not that shining. Means we can take many meanings of this one. Pale is something is pale. We could say that not fresh, not very strong, not very active, not very smarter, and not very good looking. And there are many meanings like So कहने का मतलब ज़्यादा किसको बनाएगा? डल बनाएगा. इंटरनेट को बनाएगा. किसने? कौन बनाना? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक लाइब्रेरीज. इसका मतलब डिजिटल लाइब्रेरीज का ज़्यादा प्रोफेशनल इमेज है. इसका जो वैल्यू ज़्यादा है किससे? इंटरनेट से. वो मीनिंग इधर बोला, कंपैरिजन किया, लेकिन दोनों की बात यहाँ पर करके क्या बोला? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक लाइब्रेरीज विल मेक टुडेज इंटरनेट pale by comparison. अगर कंपेयर करोगे तो ज़्यादा स्मार्टनेस किस पे होगा? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक लाइब्रेरीज पे होगा. इन्होंने भी यही बोला है. इसका मतलब आंसर विल बी true. So this is a matter of practice that we need to understand. Putting your brain into this will make you expert for this. You will also be expert one day in reading yes, no, not given, true, false, not given, and try for this. Make notes about what you have seen. Okay. Thank you very much. See you with another video. Bye bye.